Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone and car. Plug a quality OEM USB cable into the Sportage USB port, or, if you have wireless support, pair via Bluetooth first. On your phone, make sure Android 10 or newer and Android Auto are updated. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location. Once done, unlock your phone and accept any Android Auto prompts. This triggers the car head unit to search. Follow the on-screen pairing steps in the infotainment system. Don't skip permissions, because Android Auto, once the car detects your phone, you must authorize access. You will see prompts asking for contacts, messages, audio, and notifications. Accept each prompt so apps can appear on the Sportage screen. Then pick Android Auto as the default smartphone projection on the head unit. This ensures automatic connection next time. Make sure Google Maps, a music app, and Google Assistant are enabled inside Android Auto settings. If you like a minimal layout, hide unused apps and arrange favorites for quick access while driving. Finish by testing core functions. Navigate with Google Maps, play music, and use voice via the steering wheel button. Drive a short block and confirm directions and audio route through car speakers. If the screen stays blank or apps freeze, disconnect and reconnect the USB cable or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. That often clears handshake issues. If problems persist, restart your phone and the Sportage infotainment system. One simple reboot typically resolves lingering pairing errors and restores normal Android Auto operation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.